ठीक है, ओके रेडी।
इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानपुर से दूर अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you so much for joining us today on yet another great episode for Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. Today we are celebrating our 70th episode, and we have our panel member. Just allow me to. The panel member, Mr. Gauram Arya, who's the chairman at Franchise India Group, and our second panel member, Ms. Sonia Chaudhary. She is the MD at Franchise India Brands Limited, welcoming and hosting this particular webinar and sharing their insights, views about the industry, about the brand. Today, we are presenting you yet another great brand, which is Seva Facility. Yes, the brand which enjoys 25 years experience in service industry. And we have privilege that we have Mr. Rathod talking about how they are providing comprehensive range of pest control for your residential, commercial, and industrial properties. The brand which is also providing service for tank cleaning, housekeeping, security services. They're already operational in 8 cities in 5 states. And it's our privilege that today, Dr. Rathod will be talking about this great brand. I welcome you personally, Mr. Rathod, for this particular session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for introduction. I'm Veeraman Rathod and welcome you all to the company Seva Facility Service Private Limited. This is a company where I started my journey having the those experience, more than 26 years experience in the field of pest management, pest controls, then sanitizations, fumigation, export fumigation, and various sectors of the archaeological service fumigation departments, government sectors where we are doing our pest control services fumigation. Earlier I used to work in the PCI Pest Control India for 14 years. Then I started to move to the another company, the Associate Vice President for the 8th year in the National Bulk Handling Corporation. And then this is the journey to start this company, Seva Facility Service Private Limited. And we have the team where in the 9 states we provide this pest control services, as well as now recently this COVID has outbreak has come in India. And from the beginning of the March itself, we have started this sanitization service, and across the Indias and the branches, we provide the sanitization service for the societies as well as offices, factories, to save the people. And till date, we have used more than 2.5 CR square feet area treated, and more than 5 lakhs employees of the premises has been protected from the coronavirus. So this is the achievement from the last 4 months we are doing non-stop. Even though no person was there on the road, but the Seva facility team was there in all the 4 states, like in MP, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. We are doing day and night the service to the humanity, to the human towards. Many times we did this service with at the lowest price also, because there were some issues. If they don't have the payment, some hospitals also we did the free of cost services. That's toward the humanity. Currently we have more than 2,000 satisfied customers across India, and our head office is at Pune, Maharashtra in India, and our branches is at like Aurangabad, Amravati, Nagpur, Belgaum, Indore, Hyderabad, Nizamabad, and also at the Badgi. We are expert in the fumigation for the commodities, as well as export fumigation for the wooden pallets and containers also. This service, we give this across India to all our esteemed customers. We have customers like Bosch Chassis India, Flash, and many other multinational companies are with us. Toyota, Material Handling, the other companies are there. We also working for this government sector also, like Maharashtra State Transport Corporation, ST Mahamandal जिसको बोलते हैं, bus depots. We are doing there from last 2.5 years for the pest control services there. 450 locations, bus stand, bus depots, and their residential quarters, non-stop from last 2.5 years. Also, by seeing that contract, ANMAR contract we have received for the Social Welfare Department, Samaj Kalyan Mantralaya, and they have given the 9 districts and more than 185 schools and their hostels for pest control services. And that's also service we are giving from last 1.5 years successively. So the contract we get one by one just because of the trust. And our main emphasis, my passion is that we give the training to our employees, to our customers, to get the desired result. Because nowadays in pest control industry, if you see any people comes and join the pest control and start the pest control service, it is not like that. So anybody can come and start the pest control service. They should require some type of knowledge, the pest biology, the pest life cycle, then the pesticide, what pesticide to be used, where to be used, which area to be covered. So that all together, if we do, then it is effective pest control and we get the confidence. See, many times I get very pain when I see the news in that pest control has been done and there is a 2 death. In our Pune also, we find that many times occurs the death because of the pest control. So the people are having the ignorance. As a customer, they doesn't know much about the pesticide and pest control and the treatment. And they ask the people and the small fellows, the small player, those who are the zero technical knowledge, and they heard here and there, and they started their pest control. Without knowledge, without expertise, they use the pesticide or the fumigant, which is not to be allowed in the residential area where they did the mistake. And because of that mistake, customers get suffer. They lost their life and the entire thing is vanished. So my focus is on that. We team, our Seva Facility Services always focus on the training. So if our employees are well trained, our managers are well trained, yes, they can go in the market and get the good margin of business, and we can deliver the good services. And at the second time, when the complaints come, yes, I can't say there will be no complaint, but if the complaints come, then immediately our response has to go and to resolve the problems. Many times when we ask the customer, they are not ready to pay the advance payment because they have the bad experience with the other pest control guys. They have taken the money and then phone is switch off. So that another factor is that when the complaints come or the customer call after paying, we should be very much focused on that, and we should help them to solve their problems. So that is our brand Seva Facility do from last 2016. This brand has been established, and we are doing the services at the different locations. I am the director and the co-director with Kalpana Rathod. Okay, our main focus is the pest control, fumigations, and the sanitization services. This pest control, people think that it's very small subject, but this is not a small subject. We should know, because myself, I did the MSc Agriculture 26 years back. I have studied microbiology, virology, bacteriology, entomology. When we do the study of the insect, study of the bacteria, fungus, then we can able to control them properly and handle them properly. Similarly, fumigation is very expertise job. Fumigation license, anybody doesn't get it. It is a central government, they issue the fumigation license. Based on your qualification, their training, and the setup, and their infrastructure, all things, they do the thorough audit, then we get the fumigation license. Then only we can go for the fumigation for the export purpose, and as well as for the domestic agriculture commodity, we do the fumigation. It is a gaseous form of treatment. Then another is that sanitization. Sanitization earlier, before the corona, this service was very, very rare. People used to get where the germs problems are there, contamination problems are there, like hospital, OT rooms, or the area like in pharmaceutical, some laboratories are there. There we used to do the sanitization service. But now after COVID-19, March onward, it has been scale up ourselves, and we used to give the training every week to our employee how to handle ourselves, because here in the sanitization service, we ourselves has to be very much protected, because that corona the virus can be get to anyone, either doctors also many times we heard that kid get affected. We have to take care. So PP, personal protective equipment has to be used, how to use, how to do the spray, where to kill this the surface. So everywhere we did the surface disinfectant from last 4 months. Not a single complaint occur after the treatment. There was not a complaint from that side, and our staffs also very much safe from last 4 months. So there is absolutely the full place organization giving the proper treatment, because the proper trainings are there and backup is there, because technically sound backup is required for any organization to move it. So that is the challenge pest control industry facing nowadays, because they don't have the backup, they don't have the expert, they don't have the technical support at the back end. Because of that, they are not able to deliver the proper service. Next, madam. So these things are happening many times, because when we give the service, there is a lack of standardization. If you call the pest control agency, there will be 10 people will come, and then 10 rates are there, 10 different chemicals are used. They don't know about what is the chemical. So there is no standardization. Here in our case, we have all the setups having the same set of SOP. So same chemical, same mode of treatment, same frequency. So standardized services are there, and that get the benefit to the customer, and customer we win the confidence. Then there is a transparency in the documentation and prices. If you ask the price at any places in any branches, the price will be same. That is one transparency. Then all the payments, modes, everything will be same at the end. And customer get the confidence. They ensure that this organization, if you talk to our sales manager, he will speak the same. If you talk to the director or to the operator or to the supervisor, they will give the same speech, what I say or what one manager say. Then they will confident that yes, cockroach treatments are there. So these are the 3 services are there in the annual, and we'll give the service at the interval of 4 months. Similar, the another fellow will be tell the same. This is the story. When the customer get, then the confidence get win. Then another is the delivery in the quality services. When we say yes, we use a government approved chemical, so yes, and we give the seal bottles chemical and we deliver it. So they give the confidence to the customer, and when they get the service, they give the feedback. If you go to our website, you see it's more than 550 goods ratings are there. They have given the good rating. That is just because of our quality and our communication and delivery and standardizing our services. So that is the trust we gain from the market. Similarly, we have maintained the quality check on the large scale. These are the areas we have focused, and based on that, we are growing like anything and expanding like anything. So this is a good opportunity to everyone to join with us, and we can grow together and we can win together. So that this is because market is growing now very, very widely, because now economic activities are there. So because climate change, because nowadays this, because of the fast urbanization and changing the personal hygiene habit, now you see that everyone is carrying this, the bottle of this sanitizing. They do sanitize. Likewise, they want to do the pest control service at their home, their office, because they don't want any pest, because pest spread the disease. Many disease spread by the pest only. Whenever we get sick, if you go to the history in the back, you will find that there was the pest either in your food or in the water, or where you sit or sleep. Because of that, you carry that pest and then carry the diseases, and then people get sick, and we spend lakhs of rupees thereafter. So these are the things we have to consider it in that, because in changing demographical area, these different areas, different pests are there. So that is a good opportunity to do the pest control business in the different areas. Now it is expanding. India is growing like anything. And everywhere I have seen, I have get the inquiries from the villages also. They want the pest control service at village. Earlier, when I was joined this business in 1994, that time pest means people think that it is a toothpaste, P-A-S-T. Now, clearly people say that, no, I want to do the pest control, P-E-S-T, pest. Pest means we have to kill the insect. So these are the knowledge up to village levels is going. So there is a huge opportunity and huge business opportunity in all the different areas. Increasing another factor is that the pest, when we do that repeated treatment, we have to do, because pest tolerance has been increased. And because of this resistancy, and all the peoples are not doing proper service, and then again get the tolerances, and we have to do the pest control regularly. So these are the growing, and now another factor is that the middle class peoples are emerging to the other level, and they want the pest control services. So wide and huge scope is there for the pest control industry, because globally only this industry was working in this COVID, and you will see that this is an evergreen industry anywhere from last 26 years, my experience. All the industry in all the segments, sometimes they stop, or sometimes get the slowdown, or sometimes they have to wait for some time. But in this industry, 365 days, there is a growth. When everything is stopped, this industry is working. This work is the industry work in day, this industry work in night. This industry get the good amount of business, good amount of money when they do the proper services and professionalism approach and the quality and standard, then the market is yours. Next. So this is the area where I want to seek the support to get the business opportunity from the market and grow further. This is a nowadays people start their pest control services without this technical support, and then they face the problem and they shut down their business because they doesn't know anything. So this is required some technical support, backup, experienced person is required to push further. If something goes wrong, immediately we can handle it. That's required the support from the team, and that we have good team with us. Next, ma'am. See, we have the global accreditations. We have the fumigation license, special license for Australia also, and the national level certificates are there. And I have attended many national and international seminars, and we know which country if you are exporting and what are the challenges there, and what the fumigation dosage, what the chemical we have to use, and how to monitor it. That technology and that accreditation certificates, that's how the SEWA facility. Also, we have AMC contract, annual maintenance contract for the pest control services, also annual rate contract for the fumigation services. And also recently we get the connected for the COVID-19 treatment, what called the sanitization services. Some people have given 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, up to 6 months, we have the contract for the sanitization service continually. Either they are getting weekly service or fortnightly or monthly. So they get the advantage of this service, and they are continuing with us because they have the trust on the SEWA facility. Well, we have this government clients like MSRT, CS, even many banks are with us. Bank pest controls we are doing, sanitizations we are doing, like IDBI, then SBI, all the banks we do pest controls, sanitation, and effectively. So that is a confidence people get, and they continue. We have the effective sanitation or pest control program, that is just because of our training, strong technical backup, that all the prestigious clients, if you see the client list, people get impressed. oh, they are all national, multinational, and big customers are there. So they join together and easily they give the work together. And when they see the profile of the Seva facility and see the Siraman Rathod having the MSc Agri and all the qualification and their background and the training and certificates, so they get attracted. So I want to grow with you all together to grow further all over India, to have more and more business opportunity with you all. Next. See, this for the pest control services, the investment is very, very things. If you consider the office area, it will not require more than 400 square feet. Small store area and so small office area will be enough. Start with the beginning, then slowly we can increase it. And the expenses for the capital working may be around 5.5 to 6 lakh rupees in total for the capital investment. That depend upon the city to city also. Then the franchisee fee is only for the 2 lakh rupees, and the average payback period is 7 months only. And the agreement terms will be for the 5 year, and the based on that then will be renewed thereafter. These are the financial, these things. Next, ma'am. If you have any questions, answers, we can continue with the questions.
Thank you, Rathod sir. I think
thank you for listening.
Very, very good experience, and it is a privilege to have you on our webinar, because आप बहुत एक्सपीरियंस लाते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, और यही मैं बहुत बड़ा गैप मानता हूँ, क्योंकि पेस्ट कंट्रोल में even the largest of the corporates, even Godrej was in one time invested into pest control. A lot of global companies are there, which are very, very big companies, large companies, which are actually franchising also, and there's a multinational companies in pest control. Pest control is a very large business model, and it goes across industries from commercial, industrial, healthcare, any segment, even construction. Construction, everything has to get into pest control. Even agriculture, which is one of the big impacted places, there is a huge opportunity on pest control, and there is a lot of specialization. And a lot of people get into pest control thinking that this is easy to go to market, but it's just not a people management business. It needs an extreme amount of skills. Skills are very, very high in that. Otherwise, you will never be able to do that. And there are multiple levels of certifications which you are required. This is a fully integrated structure. If you don't run that, you will not be able to build. Pest control by billing size also, from a business viewpoint also, and this would be my first starting question, Rathod साहब, कि अगर कोई किसी सिटी की फ्रेंचाइज लेता है, क्या साइज ऑफ बिजनेस कर सकता है, क्या मैन पावर होगी उसके पास, क्या वो हो सकेगा, क्या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उसको बिल्ड करना पड़ेगा. तो हम अगर बिजनेस मॉडल पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा डीप जाएं और अंडरस्टैंड करें कि अगर समझो आज मैं अहमदाबाद में शुरू करना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं कितने लोगों से शुरू करूँ, क्या मेरे पास अप्रोच होनी चाहिए, क्या मुझे बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट की टीम बनानी है जो बिजनेस ला पाए, और क्या मेरी सर्विस की टीम होगी, क्या और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मुझे डेवलप करना है. और तो स्टार्ट विद, लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल ऑफ से अहमदाबाद. क्या बिजनेस मॉडल हमें अहमदाबाद के अंदर मिल पाएगा?
Yes, sir, truly. When we set up any the franchise or the branch, where we will need at least one sales manager or a sales manager come operational manager, then there will be a supervisor or the officer and back officer, and the 4 to 5 field staff that we call operator or technician. These are the manpowers we required. Then for the office setup, I say key 400 square feet area is more than enough to store the some pesticide and keep a small office for the beginning. And then slowly, gradually we can increase. Then we may require the infrastructure like one the PC, printer, all these setups. If you do it, that will be more than enough. And here we don't want our office in a posh area, like where the cost is very high and we have to spend more on the rent. So because mostly our customers doesn't come to our office. So we can keep the offices in a different of the area where the cost is low, but at the same time, our traveling cost should be around to our customers. We should not come from the away from the, and we should not spend more time in the traveling. So basically, 4 to 5 people, 6 to 7 people's team together, one branch or one the franchisee can start at one city like Ahmedabad.
वेरी गुड डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो आपके सबके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए एक सेल्स का मैनेजर होगा जो सेल्स ड्राइव करेगा। इसमें बहुत सारी दोनों तरफ से सेल्स होती है। आपको भी सेल्स साइट्स पे जाना पड़ता है, जो B2B सेल्स करनी पड़ती है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के साथ और उनके साथ बनाकर, और दूसरा लॉट ऑफ डायरेक्ट कस्टमर भी कॉल करता है। तो जितनी भी जस्ट डायल है, इनकी लिस्टिंग्स हैं, इनमें आपको लिस्ट करना पड़ता है। तो आपको दोनों आते हैं। इनकमिंग इंक्वायरीज बहुत आती हैं जो छोटे कामों के लिए होती है, और जो बड़े टेंडर होते हैं, जो बड़े प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं, RW हो गया, सैनिटाइजेशन ऑफ सोसाइटीज हो गया। अब एक बड़ी गेटेड सोसाइटी है, उसकी पूरी वो आपको पेस्ट कंट्रोल करना है, तो इट इज अ बिग प्रोजेक्ट एंड दे वुड हैव देन साइकिल कि हर क्वार्टर में उनको एक बार वो करवाना पड़ता होगा, और वो बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं। तो जैसे पेस्ट कंट्रोल फॉर बिगर इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज, फूड पार्क्स, ये सब एरियाज में एक रेगुलर लेवल पे करना पड़ता है। उसके लिए आप अपने सेल्स मैनेजर को रखते हो जो बिजनेस को अक्वायर करता है। ये बिजनेस मुश्किल नहीं है आज की डेट में, बल्कि डिमांड बहुत ज्यादा है और सप्लाई नहीं है, तो इसलिए बिजनेस जितना आप मार्केट में जाते हो उतना बिजनेस आपको मिल जाता है। सो एंड बिकॉज कोई बहुत क्रेडिबल प्लेयर नहीं है, और क्योंकि राठौर साहब की बैकग्राउंड 26 साल में इन्होंने जितने ब्रांड्स का किया, अगर आप फ्रेंचाइजी बन जाते हो तो वो सारी क्रेडिबिलिटी आपको भी मिलती है। आप भी वो सारे ब्रांड्स का नाम यूज कर सकते हो कि हमारी कंपनी ने इन सारे ब्रांड्स को किया है। इसको कस्टमर बहुत रीअश्योरेंस मांगता है, क्योंकि कस्टमर को रीअश्योरेंस मिलती है कि दे आर वर्किंग विद पब्लिक सेक्टर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दे वर्क विद लार्ज कॉर्पोरेट, दे वर्क विद प्राइवेट कंपनीज, एंड दैट ऑल इज अ बिग एश्योरेंस। बिकॉज आज अगर आप अपना पेस्टिसाइड शुरू करें तो आपके पास कोई क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है, बट कंपनी के साथ जुड़ने में, फ्रेंचाइज लेने में, वो क्रेडिबिलिटी 26 इयर्स की क्रेडिबिलिटी, 26 इयर्स के क्लाइंटल बेस आपको मिल जाता है। सो दिस इज अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स दैट दिस हैपन। सो आपको एक सेल्स मैनेजर रखना है, एक ऑपरेशन मैनेजर रखना है, एक सुपरवाइजर, या हम कहते हैं साइट कंट्रोल पे जो जाता है, जो सुपरवाइज करता है कि काम कैसा हुआ, फंक्शनैलिटी, लोगों से काम कराना, और 4 से 5 टेक्नीशियन। तो यही आपका बिजनेस मॉडल होता है। और 400 स्क्वायर फीट का ऑफिस नॉन प्राइम लोकेशन पे, जो 15 से 20 हजार में, जिसमें छोटा स्टोर हो, थोड़ा फंक्शनल एरिया हो, छोटी पेंट्री हो जहां पे लोग अपना कुछ कर सकें, और बेसिक कंप्यूटिंग एंड अदर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज अवेलेबल। सो दैट्स अ स्टार्ट। नाउ लेट्स गो राठौर साहब इनटू आर गिविंग आवर व्यूअर्स अ लिटिल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बिलिंग साइकिल, कि आज अगर मैंने ये टीम बनाई तो मैं कितनी बिलिंग कर पाऊंगा और कैसे क्वार्टर टू क्वार्टर बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि एक दिन में तो सारा बिजनेस आएगा नहीं, शायद 6 महीने से 1 साल में अपनी परफॉर्मेंस टॉप पे आएगी। लेकिन अगर मैं मिनिमम बिजनेस पकड़ के चलूं कि मुझे कितना बिजनेस 1 महीने में मैं कर सकता हूं इस टीम के साथ, आप पीक परफॉर्मेंस भी बताइए, मिड परफॉर्मेंस भी बताइए, और शुरू में भी बताइए कि शुरू में कितना बिजनेस आप कर पाओगे, रेवेन्यू टर्म्स पे कितना रेवेन्यू आ सकेगा।
In the beginning, when you start a setup, hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir. In the beginning, I'm able to hear.
Yeah, very clear, please.
Yes, sir. The beginning of we started to the 2.5 lakhs rupees business can be start from the second month itself, and slowly, gradually, it will increase 2.5, 3.5. Likewise, it will increase, and then it will go to 4 to 5 lakh rupees, and we can get the break even up to 6 to 7 months. Within 7 months, we will be at the break even point, and we can be recovered the most of the amounts.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कि आप शुरू में 2.5 लाख रुपीस में करते थे, आप बिजनेस शुरू करेंगे एंड उसको 2.3, 3.5, 4 लाख, एंड पीक परफॉर्मेंस वुड कम डाउन टू अबाउट 5 odd lakh rupees, बट उसके लिए आपको थोड़ी मैन पावर और बढ़ानी पड़ेगी टू सपोर्ट दैट बिजनेस। बट एनीथिंग बिटवीन 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees इज अ रेवेन्यू साइकिल। अब इस कॉस्ट के ऊपर भी राठौर साहब थोड़ा ध्यान देते हैं कि भाई 2.5 लाख रुपीस अगर मिलता है तो इसमें प्रोडक्ट कितना लग जाता है, कितनी सैलरी कॉस्ट लग जाएगी, थोड़ा रेंटल डलेगा, और कितना एक फ्रेंचाइजी को बच सकता है।
We work out properly, so everything if we put it together. So if 5 staffs are there for the field staff, we can say, so around 5 to 6 lakh rupees business they can do monthly. Okay, and altogether cost if you record 35%, the margin will get it each month to month. So minimum 30% तो कहीं गया नहीं।
हाँ, तो सारे खर्चे निकालने में अगर आप कंजर्वेटिव भी लेके चलें, चलो 5 लाख रुपए आप ओवर द टाइम जाएंगे, लेकिन अगर आप 2.5 लाख रुपीस भी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ले चलें, छोटे सिटी में भी खोलते हैं आप, राजकोट में खोलते हैं या आप छोटे कोई और अमरावती में खोलते हैं, औरंगाबाद खोलते हैं, कहीं पर भी आप एक छोटे सिटी में खोलते हैं, तो अगर 2.5 लाख का बिजनेस करते हैं तो 30% आपका मार्जिन है, तो 30% का मार्जिन रहेगा कि आप 75 और 1000 रुपीज के करीब बच सकता है आफ्टर गिविंग सैलरीज, आफ्टर गिविंग रेंटल, और जो प्रोडक्ट और केमिकल्स आप यूज करते हैं उसको खर्चा डालने के बाद यू कैन बी एबल टू मेक दैट। बट इफ यू मेक 5 लाख रुपीज देन द इनकम इज वेरी हाई। राठौर साहब कह रहे हैं कि इजीली अगर आप मेहनत करते हैं पहले 5 से 6 महीने में, तो आप अपनी सारी कैपिटल की रिकवरी कर लेते हैं और ये आपका बिजनेस लाइफ लॉन्ग के लिए बन जाता है। कस्टमर एक्विजिशन में राठौर साहब कैसे हम अब गाइड करते हैं फ्रेंचाइजीज को कि कैसे शुरू में कौन से बिजनेसेस को ज्यादा टारगेट करें और आपकी सक्सेस के हिसाब से कहां पर ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, प्राइवेट सेक्टर में, इंडिविजुअल होम्स में, गवर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स में, कहां पे ज्यादा एक्टिविटी, क्योंकि सब तरफ शायद फ्रेंचाइजी कभी कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि क्या क्या चीजें करनी है। बट आप क्या पहले क्वार्टर में चाहेंगे कि भाई फ्रेंचाइजी किस पे फोकस करे जहां पे बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको दिखती है, लुकिंग एट करंट कोविड सिचुएशन ऑल्सो, कि कहां पर वो ज्यादा फोकस करें?
यस सर, अभी अगर हम फोकस करेंगे ना तो रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज में अगर स्टार्टिंग में फोकस करते हैं, रेसिडेंशियल एंड द कंपनीज, and next level will be the company where the industries are there and they need also sanitization service very quickly, because nowadays we are getting lots of calls and lots of services we are giving at the societies, at the homes, at their offices also, and their factories. So this is a continuous process, so we should focus it from the residential segment then towards to the commercial segment and industrial segment. The huge opportunity is there. Only thing is that rigorously we have to work on that, and first 6 months if we work it now, then automatically that you are the franchisee, that base will be stabilized well and it will be continued, because once AMC we got it now, so AMC is a renewable business. Once we get it is renewed for, it is gated for the 1 year, that is one thing. So one complete year, every month you have to do only service and billing. So that is AMC base. Then next year, if your service is good, confidence got the customer, then it is renewed again. So that is a benefit. So we have to focus on the more the AMC business as well, and also at the residential also AMC business. And the bonus also will get this COVID this sanitization service. And because of the sanitization, if we give the good service, timely service, they get connected, and other business opportunities also added in the free of cost, we can say that. Because many customers who have approached them, where we have not approached, they have approached us for the sanitization. Now, along with the sanitization, we are doing them for the pest control services also, and they are very much happy. They say, "Ki now we want to continue pest control services with you only, just because of our timely delivery and the timely service and effective service." Yes, sir.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। एंड रेजिडेंशियल सर्विसेज जो हैं उसमें मार्जिन भी अच्छा होता है, क्योंकि वो इंडिविजुअल सर्विसेज होती हैं, उसमें मार्जिन बहुत अच्छा होता है। और आप अगर एएमसी साइन कर लें, एनुअल मेंटेनेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन कर लें, तो एनुअल मेंटेनेंस बहुत सारे रेजिडेंशियल फार्म हाउसेज, किसी ने पूछा है कि फार्म हाउसेज के लिए, फार्म हाउसेज में बहुत मस्त सर्विस है क्योंकि वहाँ पर प्रोन ज़्यादा है पेस्टिसाइड प्रॉब्लम। तो अगर आप साइन कर लेते हैं, जैसे आप दिल्ली एनसीआर में हैं, तो दिल्ली एनसीआर में कम से कम 1000 फार्म हाउसेज हैं डिफरेंट लेवल पे। तो अगर आप हर के साथ अगर आप मंथली साइन कर लेते हैं अपनी एएमसी, तो आपको हर महीने सर्विस देनी है और आपकी बिलिंग मंथ ऑन मंथ चलती रहती है। सो इट्स अ वेरी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो व्हाट राठौर साहब इज सेइंग कि फोकस फर्स्ट ऑन द रेजिडेंशियल साइड एंड देन गो टू कमर्शियल, देन गो टू इंस्टीट्यूशनल बिग प्रोजेक्ट्स, which big projects would come coming in, और उससे आपका एक्सपीरियंस भी आएगा और आपको अर्ली डेज में इनकम बन जाएगा। तो फिर धीरे धीरे आप बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं। बड़े प्रोजेक्ट में कभी कभी बिलिंग साइकिल्स में क्रेडिट होता है, तो वो आपको देखना पड़ता है कि शुरू में जो रेजिडेंशियल है वहाँ तो कैश की आपकी बिलिंग होती है, तो इट गिव्स यू कैश फ्लो and you are making basically able to build your income source and so forth. It is one of the largest industries now in franchising. Pest control is one of the largest categories globally. इंडिया में नहीं है क्योंकि इंडिया में कंज्यूमर अभी ब्रांड को नहीं मांग रहा है, तो उसके लिए पेस्ट कंट्रोल एक सर्विस है, किसी भी लोकल से वो करवा लेता है। उनको क्वालिटी रीअश्योरेंस नहीं है, कोई गारंटीज नहीं है, कोई आफ्टर मेंटेनेंस नहीं है। सो नाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू गेट ब्रांडेड एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक Radhar Saab is trying to do, and I think the service would become branded. And there was only one company, Highcare, which was the only chain in India, which was also bought by a multinational. It was a Godrej company. Now my next question is, Radhar Saab, what is the competition landscape look like? कि कंपटीशन क्या है, प्राइसिंग कैसे होगी कंपटीशन के अगेंस्ट? हमारे 2-3 बड़े एडवांटेजेस आपने बताया। एडवांटेजेस एक तो हमारा जो एक्सपीरियंस है और जो हमारा प्रोसेस है, हमारी ट्रेनिंग है, वो तो है ही है, लेकिन और कोई एडवांटेज हमें जो क्लियर एडवांटेज दिखता हो जो हम कंपटीशन के अगेंस्ट कर सकते हैं, both national micro players, and even if any multinational comes in, what is a advantage for us?
Yes, sir. Now, if you see, there are only two big players are there, and both players are become master in the only residential segment. One is High Care, and another is PCI Rentokil. Okay, they both are in the aggressively in the residential, and their residential growth is too much just because of this good margin. Okay, so in our case, if we go, because we are growing now corporate, and we have good opportunity to enter in the corporate business, and there are very few players in the corporate. That is one thing. And the rate part, if you consider it, their rates and our rates presence, because our overheads are less and their overheads are more. So our always rates are 20-30% lesser than the both the bigger player. So that advantage we have because our overheads are less. And another factor is that we are not competing to the local fellow who is charging very poor rates. So they are not our competitor. Let's say very frankly, because they know where, and many times customer get the service from the local player for 500,000 rupees, and they came back to us. That's why incidences happen many times, because people have the good amount of money with them, and they can spend good amount on the health and pest control. They don't want to get the shabby treatment at their home, because when they buy the home of 50 lakhs rupees to 1 CR, and they want their office or the home has to be done the pest control from the professional agency only. So there is a huge opportunity for the player like us who are upcoming and going and very fast. Even if this big player High Care and the Rentokils rates are higher, but the service sometimes also get delayed because of this the big process and all these things. So in mid we can get good opportunity, because many customers we have converted them with the rate part. They came to us and they are very much happy with us now.
Very interesting. And
Yes.
another question I would like to have is that जो supplies हैं हमारी वो standardized हैं, सारे chemicals हमसे जाते हैं, और वो जो supplies हैं उसमें क्या cost structures होते हैं, कैसे supply work करती है, और वो आप कुछ centralized purchase करेंगे सारे franchisees के लिए?
Yes, sir. Already we have the system of central procurement. Okay, we buy it from directly from the manufacturer or the large distributor, and we do the billing at the HO, and they supply at the branches directly. So same model will run to the franchises also. They will get the chemical material directly from the supplier with the cost reduction compared to 5 to 10%. Because in the market, if we go and we purchase 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees chemical, obviously he will charge you more. If we say we have to purchase 2 to 3 lakh rupees material, then the 5 to 10% reduction will be there. So that is the advantage, and which we are supplying from the one location, and that will get it. Yes, sir.
दो क्वेश्चन मैं और लूंगा, एंड जो एक रमेश जी ने पूछा है कि क्या इसमें लाइसेंसेस कौन से लगते हैं, व्हाट लाइसेंसेस आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अ फ्रेंचाइजी टू टेक इन द बिजनेस, एंड दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सेकंड मिस्टर अनवर पूछते हैं कि भाई क्योंकि आज सब लोग डिजिटल हो रहा है, तो लोग ऐप के थ्रू या किसी भी उसके थ्रू रीच आउट करना चाहते हैं बुकिंग को, और अगर आप उस कंज्यूमर एक्सपीरियंस को पूरा मैनेज कर सकें डिजिटली कि आज कैसे पेस्ट कंट्रोल का ऑर्डर दिया, कैसे वो आया, कैसे प्रोसेस हुआ, सेटिस्फैक्शन ऑफ अ कस्टमर क्या था, क्या आप भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं डिजिटली अपने आप को कनेक्ट करने के लिए कस्टमर से, कि कस्टमर का एक्सपीरियंस जो है वो कैप्चर हो सके, क्योंकि कस्टमर का फीडबैक या कस्टमर एक्विजिशन दोनों आजकल डिजिटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है. सो दीज टू क्वेश्चन, वन कुछ लाइसेंसेस अगर चाहिए होते हैं फ्रेंचाइजी ने, जो रमेश जी का क्वेश्चन है, और अनवर जी का क्वेश्चन है कि भाई कि क्या हम कोई टेक्नोलॉजी या CRM या कोई ऐसी चीज क्रिएट कर रहे हैं जिससे हम कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस को भी कैप्चर कर पाए.
Yes, sir. It's a very good question, because without license, it is an illegal business. It's required the license for the pest control license from the state government. There is the agriculture department. They issue, the licensing authorities are there. They visit our premises. They inspect it based on the structure setup. They give the license. that is required from the state government. If you want to do for the fumigation and for the export business purpose, then there is a central government license, Agriculture Ministry, central government, Plant Protection Quarantine Department at Faridabad. Their team, we have to apply them, and they come and they do the inspection and audit and submit the proposal to the Agriculture Ministry, and they issue the license for the fumigation. So 2 type of license are required. If we don't do the fumigation business, because fumigation business required some technical person on the roll, and for the pest control treatment required also the person on the roll or the owner has to be minimum BSc Agri or BSc Chemistry. Then we can apply for the pesticide license, and they will get it. Also, we have to go through the trainings also before license. Training has to be done by the government institute. The 15 days course is there. The training has to undergo, and thereafter we can apply for the licenses. That is very much important, because most of the small players, they don't have license and they do the illegal business. So that we don't want to do it, because everything we have to go in the professional way and professional approach. So this license part has to be completed before start of the business. That is one. Second question was your digitalization. So digitalization, yes, that is the only era in future. Now if you see that already we are working on that, and we got many of the reviews from the customers, we get the videos also, and we are making apps. But right now we are getting payments through the digitals also. So further we'll make it development on the digitalization, and everything, even the feedback, service schedules, directly the customer will get the SMS, and they will, when the service is there tomorrow, your service is scheduled at 12 o'clock, so he will get the SMS. If you want to change that, then he can give the reply it and then get feedback that again reschedule it. So everything will be digitalized. So it will be reduce the manpower and give the credibility, trustworthy, and the brand image will be increased.
Absolutely, and this works very strongly on customer feedback and customer rating, because जब नया ऑर्डर कभी भी कोई देता है या कोई नया कस्टमर एक्विजिशन देता है, वो आपकी परफॉर्मेंस और आपकी कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस को रेटिंग को जरूर देखता है. तो वो रेटिंग को कंट्रोल करना और क्वालिटी को कंट्रोल करना फ्रेंचाइजी की बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होगी. और स्पेशली अगर आपके अच्छे शुरू के कस्टमर्स अच्छे हैं, अच्छे रिव्यूज हैं उनके बारे में, then you get a multiplier effect. You will always be at the top, and you will be able to get more and more customers. There is a lot of interest coming in, Rathod Sahab. I think it's a very perceived good opportunity, and that's why we invited. I would like to invite Sonia to take up her viewpoint and a lot of questions, because we are seeing a huge questions coming in, and this only happens when we see genuine interest from people. Please keep asking questions, and Sonia would take as many questions.
I've tried to answer. Welcome, Rathod Sahab. I was going, taking down these questions while you were answering many other. And just to add on, I feel the overall industry, because a lot of people are asking about the local players in the market and the pricing. And to my understanding, the industry has evolved a lot in the last, I would say, 5 odd years, from do it yourself, where people would do it in their offices and home. And a lot of people who were unorganized were in the market. But now I think the focus is on trusted players, because safety performance has become very, very important. And so has specialized services, and because of consumer awareness, which is beginning to come now. So a couple of questions, Rathod Sahab, which I want to pick up, and I see many of them coming together. So first I would like to take up, which is one on the profile of people, because we need, are we looking at specific qualification of people to look at these services, one, and second, because we did talk about facility management also along, are we looking at integrated services solutions, or are we looking at only pesticide services franchisees? Can somebody integrate all the services that you're offering as a company? Is that an option available with the franchisee?
Yes, madam. We have not discussed about the other services like housekeeping, water tank cleaning that we are doing here, and that also can be a part of the integrated package. That service also we can do it. That is one. Yeah.
All right. And so इसमें cost क्या आती है? Because a lot of people want to know typical cost of servicing for an AMC. How much would that be? Typical per square feet in a home, how much would that cost? And typical जो average cost आती है किसी भी service की, what kind of a cost structure is that?
Yeah. Cost, say if it is a 2 BHK flat at
Hanji.
home, okay, we charge is around 2,500 rupees for 1 year for 3 services at the interval of 4 months. Same, the cost of the other corporates are more than 4,500 rupees. So it is near to double the rate. And in our cost, our material cost is not more than 15 to 20%. We can say less than 50% also sometimes. So, and when you see your material cost 12 to 15% in residential area, overall cost, if you add it in other segments, it will not go more than 20%. But average cost is 12 to 15%. And when we are charging 2,500 rupees, so material cost is very less. Another cost is manpower and transportation. If you manage the number of jobs per day, per person more, then again the profitability will be increased. And I have told you the big players, they are charging double, like 4,500. They say 5,000, then 10% discount, 4,500. We are charging them 2,500 rupees for the same premises. Whereas local players are also charging 1,800, 2,000, 2,200. And they are not satisfied at all when they are paying 80% of what amount we are quoting. And then they get regret that. And most of the people nowadays, it is not like that any people call and get the service, not like that. They will see the review, they will see the company, they will give the feedback, they will review everything on your Google. They see what qualities people are doing, what other people's the feedbacks are there. Based on that, they get attracted. So that is the advantage. One advantage is that the corporate is charging huge amount than us, and local players are charging as compared to us only 20 to 25% we are charging more. But end of the day, we are giving the service as compared to the corporate same service or sometimes better service, I can say. So this is, I'm not telling, my customer told me that we got the better feedback from the customer. They say we got good service from better than the high care or better than the Rentokil. So what customer need in the price of 50% of the cost? Many times because one customer, entire society has came to me just because of the service quality.
Right, it is satisfaction of services which helps you build more clients in the neighborhood or the location. Rathod साहब, एक per square feet का question है which I think we missed. Per square feet typical कितना charge होता है? Well, it would different based on the services being given, but if you can talk about the average price per square feet.
It depends. If the area, large area is there, then we have to charge on the per square feet. For the residential, we charge on all pest control industry charge on 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK flat size base only. If it's the industrial area or the factory is there or offices is there, say if it is 5,000 or 10,000 or 50,000 square feet or 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakh. See, office area is start from the 500 to up to 5 lakh square feet. So we cannot charge same square feet area if it is a 5,000 square feet and 5 lakh square feet. If it is 5 lakh square feet, our rate will be 10 to 15 paisa per square feet. But if it is the area, if it is less than 5,000 square feet, then it is goes 25 paisa, 30 paisa, 50 paisa. Depends upon the square feet size and the locations. Now today, just now before the 1 hour back, I got a call from the Kolkata. He said, we want to give service to you because I was doing service for their one location in Pune. And their head office is at Kolkata. He said, do you have any franchise arrangement or where you have any your branches where we can cater the services all over India? They have more than 32 locations, warehouses, and they want pest control services urgently. What happened in the COVID scenario? Most of these big companies, they have closed and they have not done the services. In the COVID situation also, our customer get happy because their food factory was running, so we are providing them services and we have gave the delivery was in time. So they think that this is the player who can give the service anytime, anywhere. So I say, yes, we can do it and we are in the process. So like that, all these big players, pan-India's players are ready to work with us. So only we need to expand ourselves infrastructure and get that order. That order is awaited.
Right.
So I think I told you about the square feet area because square feet area is very tough question.
Right, because economies of scale, if the infrastructure is bigger, you can give them a lower price. But for smaller residential, you said 2 BHK, 3 HP, you work on a lump sum pricing based on the services being offered. Right. Some more questions. A question which I'm seeing coming from a lot of people is on the training. What kind of training is being provided? Because you also made a point of government training to be incorporated. And one would be the training which is from the company. So how does it take place? And what kind of training? Does it include any kind of technical training also for the franchisee along with the staff?
Yeah. Training is very much important when we are dealing with the pesticide. So we know that how to use, where to use, and how it get killed. So once training gets, government institutes are there. There are only 3 institutes in India who give the training for the pest control and fumigation license holder. One is at CFTRI Mysore, Central Food Technology Research Institute, and they have schedule as per their schedule. They give training. Another is at NIPHM at Hyderabad, National Institute of Plant Health in Hyderabad, Rajendra Nagar. They give training. And one is Grain Institute at Hapur, UP. That is third training. So this training basically required for the fumigation license. But for the pest control treatments, only the qualification and the internal trainings are there. They can allow. And there later on also we can attend these trainings. And our internal training, we give the training regularly to our employees and the operators and the salespersons on the different topics. Say we consider that today training is on the cockroach management. So cockroach biology and the physiology, then their behavior, and then habits, where they hide, and what type of pesticide to be used, how they kill, all this. Then another topic is on the bed bug. Then another is different pest like spider, lizards. So different pest we give training. Then different pesticide, how to apply. Applications is very important for the technicians, those who go in the field, and these trainings are there. Then also we give the type of sales trainings also, how to pitch, how to go to the market, and what to talk and what not to talk,
Client
how to get the
acquisition.
order, client acquisition. So this type of trainings we used to give.
Right. एक चीज और which Rathod साहब I want to ask, is there any specific qualification or profile of people we are looking at, because it requires certain specific training? So कोई ऐसी कोई qualification है which the franchisee needs to come from?
See, a franchisee owner has to be either BSc chemistry or BSc agriculture, or is one of the employee has to be required this qualification. Okay. Either he himself or his employee.
Okay. All right. Another question जो मैं pick करना चाहती हूँ, एक तो how big the radius would be if somebody gets a right in a city or a territory, and second, is a master franchisee also available? I have a lot of master franchisee inquiries also coming in. So master franchisee, are we considering one, what location radius if we give in a specific city, and third I would also club is what kind of locations are we targeting, because I'm seeing inquiries coming from all across the country from various states. So ये 3 चीजें हैं Rathod साहब which I would want you to answer.
Yeah, for master franchisee, yes, we are looking at franchisee on the for the master franchisee. For that area, either we have to target for say one bigger city, or if it is smaller city, then the entire state. Likewise, we have to work out on that, and we have to give them the master franchisee. Okay. That is one. And second question was? Second was,
कितना radius देंगे? Is there any kind of protection of territory we're giving to a franchisee?
Exclusivity भाई, अगर कोई कितना बड़ा सिटी है, जैसे बड़ा सिटी है बॉम्बे, तो वो तो एक को नहीं दे सकते, बहुत बड़ी टेरिटरी है. लेकिन अगर कोई छोटा सिटी में आता है, जैसे राजकोट है, तो क्या उसको एक्सक्लूसिविटी मिलेगी अपने सिटी?
Yes, sir. Yeah. If it is small city, then exclusively with the entire city will be under him only.
Okay. Rathod साहब, हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की इसमें. हाँ जी, please go ahead. You were saying something.
No, if it is city like Bangalore, Chennai, or Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, or Kolkata, these are the very large city where we may require the to define the territories.
Right.
Yeah, but to touch cities like Rajkot.
हाँ, जैसे दिल्ली एनसीआर के अंदर गुड़गांव को एक्सक्लूसिविटी एक पार्टनर हो सकता है, नोएडा का एक हो सकता है, सेंट्रल दिल्ली का एक हो सकता है, कनॉट प्लेस एंड अदर प्लेसेस, वेस्ट दिल्ली का एक, साउथ दिल्ली का एक, and so Delhi can be also very clearly divided between 6 to 7 territories. But you will get exclusivity. What Rathod Sahab is saying, you will get our exclusivity, but we will divide the area and give it so that there is an equal opportunity. And that's what he believes in. He's worked very hard, 26 years. इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है ये बिजनेस को खड़ा करने के लिए. अब now we want to share the opportunity with like-minded partners who are also committed. एक चीज का बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि ये थोड़ा मेहनत मांगता है। अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, पहले 6 महीने में समझ नहीं पाएंगे इंडस्ट्री को, तो आप अपनी टीम को कभी गाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो थोड़ा सा एंटरप्रेन्योर को ये समझना है कि आप पहले 6 महीने जरूर डालिए, 6 महीने में आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ये बिजनेस कैसे होता है, फिर आप अपनी टीम को कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे। नहीं तो आपकी और आपकी टीम की अलाइनमेंट कभी नहीं बनती। सर्विस बिजनेस का रूल ये है कि यू नीड टू नो मोर देन योर टीम नोस। वंस यू नो, आपने 2 बार ये खुद जाके साइट पे देखा कैसे एग्जीक्यूशन हुई, कैसे काम किया गया, कस्टमर को फोन करके खुद से पूछा कि क्या उसकी क्वालिटी हुई। अगर आप ये कमिटमेंट यू आर एबल टू डू फॉर द फर्स्ट 6 months, then you are in control of the business, then you exactly know where things are going right, where things are not going right. Then you can even sit at your home and you know that work could be continue to do that because you know the control of business. Always in this business, skill of delivery, controlling the project by delivery timelines, which means that how much throughput per person should do, कितना काम उससे करवाना है, तो सुपरवाइजर स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि वो काम करा सके। और तीसरा, कस्टमर की सेटिस्फैक्शन। ये 3 चीजों पे अगर आप ध्यान देते हैं, then this business is always good for you. ऐसे कोई बिजनेस नहीं होते। मुझे लगता है कि ब्रिक एंड मॉर्टर बिजनेसेस और सर्विस बिजनेस को जब मैं कंपेयर करता हूँ, तो मुझे सर्विस बिजनेस बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें कोई फिक्स्ड खर्चा नहीं है, आपको कोई बहुत ज्यादा वो नहीं करना है। ये बहुत प्रिडिक्टेबल बिजनेसेस हैं। एक बार ये कस्टमर बन जाता है तो वो कस्टमर लाइफ लॉन्ग है, आपसे ही सर्विस कराता रहता है, बाय द टाइम आप अपनी क्वालिटी खराब ना करें। तो इससे अच्छा बिजनेस हो नहीं सकता है। बहुत अच्छा मार्जिन बिजनेस है। नहीं तो आप कुछ भी खोलें, आप रेस्टोरेंट खोलें, कुछ भी खोलें, वो डेप्रिशिएट हो जाती है। जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट आप करते हैं डेप्रिशिएट होती है। यहाँ पर अगर आपकी सर्विस एक बार एस्टैब्लिश हो गई और आपका एक्सक्लूसिविटी है आपके पास, जैसे मैं अगर बड़ौदा में हूँ और मेरे पास एक्सक्लूसिविटी और मेरी एस्टैब्लिश हो गई, तो ये लाइफ लॉन्ग बिजनेस है। अगले 20, 25, 30 साल आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं कि आपकी वो सर्विस एस्टैब्लिश हो जाती है। दिस इज अ गुड बिजनेस टू बी इन।
राठौर साहब, एक क्वेश्चन जो मैं लेना चाहती हूँ, हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात की थी, हमने रॉयल्टी जो मंथली सेल्स होती है उसके ऊपर कोई हम फिक्स्ड अमाउंट लेते हैं फ्रेंचाइजी से? इज देयर अ फिक्स्ड अमाउंट और अ रॉयल्टी दैट वी चार्ज ऑन द रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम अ फ्रेंचाइजी?
Yeah, that we are going to charge you around 7 to 8% on the billing. Okay, so total amount, bill amount, if it is say it is a 10 lakh rupees per month, so then every month you have to be give the that fixed.
Right. And typically, Rathod sir, इसमें credit line कितना बड़ा होता है? How big is the credit line? Because you know sometimes it gets difficult for franchisees to recover the money from a lot of institutions they work with. Typical in this industry में क्या credit lines work करती हैं? As far as institutional tie-up corporates के साथ जब काम करते हैं तो?
ऐसा है मैडम कि जो रेसिडेंशियल सेगमेंट है वो तो पूरे साल का एडवांस पैसा आ जाता है, सो दैट इज यू आर गेटिंग गुड बेनिफिट टू रन एज योर कैश फ्लो। दैट इज वन मोर इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट। दैट्स व्हाई ऐसे कि पैरेलली वी हैव टू रन विद द रेसिडेंशियल एंड कमर्शियल एंड इंडस्ट्रियल सेगमेंट फॉर कस्टमर बिग कस्टमर्स। ओके, मैक्सिमम क्रेडिट वी ऑन पेपर से कि 15%, बट विद 15 days, बट विद इन 30 days पेमेंट गेट बैक। सो एक हर मंथली साइकिल निकलते रहते हैं। लास्ट महीने में जो भी बिलिंग हुआ, दिस मंथ विल गेट ऑल द पेमेंट।
Okay.
And we have to also think on that कि if any customers delaying the payment, immediately we have to act on that. Otherwise, in any business you find that the 4-5% customers are there where they don't want to pay in time. So that customers we have to find in time and keep that customer aside and go further. If you don't and you stuck there, then there is a possibility of lagging. So we have to be very focused. So franchisee owners involvement is very much important.
Correct. I think that's very, very important. Okay. Dr. Saab, हमें questions तो बहुत आ रहे हैं. I'm not too sure if we can pick. We still have many coming in. I have a lot of serious people who want to rather immediately sign up also, and I've written and replied to many of them. We like to take these inquiries immediately after the webinar gets over, and many of the discussions which people want to do, which will be very difficult for us to take it at this forum because of the paucity of time, and also a lot of understanding on their profile location needs to be done at your end, and we also need to evaluate together if these profiles and locations are suitable for us to go ahead. So I will request everybody to share. I will also put our hotline number. Some inquiries I've already started taking, and we'll try and reach out immediately after this event and get you in touch with Rathod ji.
Rathod sir, we are also launching a new initiative because we are every day we do a webinar. जब हम वेबिनार करते हैं तो जो अच्छा ब्रांड होता है जैसे आपका है, तो बहुत सारी इंक्वायरी आ जाती है और उसमें उनका बहुत पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उनके अपने सिटी के बारे में, उनकी अपनी लोकेशन के बारे में, किसी को चाहिए होता है, किसी को चाहिए होता है। तो हम एक इनिशिएटिव नया लॉन्च कर रहे हैं कॉल्ड डिस्कवरी डे। ये
Okay.
डिस्कवरी डे इनिशिएटिव ऐसा है कि जो लोग अभी, जैसे बहुत सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं कि मुझे कानपुर में चाहिए, मुझे उड़ीसा में चाहिए, मुझे कलकत्ता में चाहिए, मुझे बैंगलोर में चाहिए, तो इतने सब लिख रहे हैं। तो हम एक दिन आपसे चाहेंगे, अगर आप अभी डेट देख के दे सकें, हम अपनी ऑडियंस को आप भी बता सकते हैं कि उस दिन हम आपके साथ 1-on-1 मीटिंग्स रखेंगे इन क्लाइंट्स की, और वो डिस्कवरी डे जूम पे होगा। समझो आपको 5 से 6 घंटे देने पड़ेंगे, और वो 20-20 मिनट की कॉल्स हम रखेंगे, और सब अपने स्लॉट्स बुक कर सकते हैं। जैसे अगर मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में अपॉर्चुनिटी में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ, तो मैं आपके साथ एक स्लॉट बुक कर सकता हूँ, और उस स्लॉट में आपके जो अपने पर्सनल क्वेश्चन हो, अपनी इंडस्ट्री को लेकर, अपने सिटी को लेकर, या कोई और स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन हो, वो एड्रेस किए जा सकते हैं। और उसके बाद दोनों साइड को लगता है कि हमें परस्यू करना है, आपको लगता है कि राइट प्रोफाइल है, परस्यू करना है, उनको लगता है राइट प्रोफाइल है तो परस्यू करना है, तो हम उसको आगे लेके जाएंगे। तो हम चाहते हैं कि 4 से 5 दिन बाद, तब तक हम ये सारी प्रोफाइल मंगवा लेंगे, रिक्वेस्ट मंगवा लेंगे, हु वांट्स टू अटेंड द डिस्कवरी डे। और ये पहला वाला डिस्कवरी डे सोनिया जी और मैं खुद सुपरवाइज करेंगे कि हम राइट क्वालिटी ऑफ पीपल आपसे मिलवा पाएं। तो आप अगर कोई डेट दे सकें, जो डेट आपको लगता है कि जिस दिन आपके लिए अच्छी होगी।
Next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, we can consider, or Thursday.
ट्यूसडे और थर्सडे, सो हम थर्सडे रख लेते हैं। सो हमारी ऑडियंस के लिए 30th of July is the discovery day we are doing especially for this brand. If you are interested in participating in discovery day and booking your slot directly with the founder himself, राठौर साहब के साथ 20 से 25 मिनट की इंडिविजुअल डिस्कशन ऑन दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी, आप जल्दी व्हाट्सअप करिए व्हाट्सएप पे 9717683838। सो ये आपको अर्चना जी ने लिख दिया है चैट बॉक्स के ऊपर, ये आप ब्लॉक करिए। ये हमारा एक नया इनिशिएटिव है जिससे हमें लगता है कि लोग बहुत क्लोज जा पाएंगे अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में, डिस्कवर कर पाएंगे राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी, और स्पेंड कर पाएंगे इंडिविजुअल टाइम विद द फाउंडर हिमसेल्फ। And so we are encouraging 30th is the date for the first discovery day which is happening for the brand, and please reach us and we will be more than happy to help you out and help you to get this entire thing. It's very important for both sides to go deeper discussion. अगर वो deeper discussion करते हैं तो हमेशा दोनों sides के लिए अच्छा होता है। तो 30th is the date. We will formally come down to you timelines. आप 30th का ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं टाइम, और अपना एक व्हाट्सअप करिए इस नंबर पे और बिजनेस हॉटलाइन पे, एंड वी विल बी एबल टू डू दैट। मैं भी देख रहा हूँ काफ़ी लोगों के व्हाट्सअप आने शुरू हो गए हैं। दैट्स ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्टार्टेड रिसीविंग, आई एम गेटिंग मैसेजेस, सो प्लीज रीच आउट एंड देन वी विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू अलाइन दिस। So Radha Saab, before we close, I would like your message to our audience, any message you want to give, and then to Sonia, it was very interesting to have you on the forum. So over to you, Mr. Rathod.
Yes, sir. Thank you all the participants listening me very nicely, and I am seeing the number, they are continually increasing and increase. So their interests are there only just because of sin. But the business wise, if you see in the market now, this is a very much good opportunity to work with me with this venture, and this is a great time to invest and grow together, because इससे अच्छा opportunity और कहीं नहीं है ये service industry में, and this particularly industry where I have spent 26 years. Huge potentials are there in your city. Smallest city में भी बहुत ज्यादा potential है। मैंने देखा है तालुका लेवल पे, विलेज लेवल पे हमने पेस्ट कंट्रोल किया है। Great opportunities are there. You just meet on the Thursday and let's see the start beginning with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Rathod Saab. I would say, it is a real pleasure to interact with experienced people like you. We also get a lot of learning, and I could see that being transformed. The quality of leads, the kind of questions and the kind of profiles which have come in are very reflective of the business that you run and the experience you have. So congratulations on the business that you've been doing for the last 25 odd years. I also see a lot of people inquiring from the same city or state, the master franchise rights. I want to give a message to everybody. We'll only pick up profiles which are very close to what we want, and we'll start giving time to each one. There are people who are writing and they want to fix the time. I see some messages on the group. So friends, we'll take it up with each one of you. Give us today's time. We'll try and fix time with everybody. And for reasons, if we are full on Thursday, we'll also try to take another date from Rathod Saab and try and fix your meetings one-on-one with him. So thank you, sir, for coming in today, and thank you all the viewers for being with us.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste.
Over to you for a final thank you.
So Thank you so much, all the friends, family, our extended family who have joined us today. We got very good response from you, where we got more than 100 queries, which Gaurav sir, Sonia ma'am tried to answer, and along with Rathod sir. Thank you so much, Rathod sir, for taking out time. We know the kind of the hard work we have put in for this particular webinar. Thank you so much, our panel member, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, for your insights. As we have rightly mentioned, you can connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176 383838. That's the number where you can write suggestions, feedback to us, and obviously you can book your slot for Discovery Day, which is on 30th of July, where you can have a digital interaction with Rathod sir. You can also connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective named IDs. That's the information on your screen. The recorded version of this particular webinar, to understand again what we have discussed today and all the previously conducted webinar, is available at the Facebook page of Franchisee India Brands Limited. That's the link where you can go and check all the previously done webinar. But before you go again, it's a Friday tomorrow, and we have special Friday for you where we pitch top 5 business opportunities. Yes, tomorrow we are again reconnecting with top 5 business opportunity for you guys, sharp at 12 p.m. You can join us. You can send your nomination at the business hotline number, and you'll get a link and confirmation from our side. Do join us tomorrow for this particular webinar. For today, final goodbye from our side. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.